And the recipe of the day is eggless, orange, banana and jaggery pancake. Beautiful, isn't it? Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all of us are well. And before we start, a few words on the health benefits of citrus. It is a well-known fact. No part of citrus is to be wasted. Look at the uses: the skin, the pith, the pulp and the juice. Look at the health benefits. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 170 phytogen chemicals, 60 flavonoids, anti-inflammatory, 240 milligrams of potassium. Imagine. And dietary fiber, up to 3 grams. Imagine. What a fruit. Beta carotene, that makes the orange look orange. And vitamin B, the foliate, and vitamin B1, thiamine, all very important. The zest, the skin that is, not to be thrown again, and the juice with the fiber, that is very important, and the pith, which is generally not eaten because it is bitter. And now to pluck 6 fresh oranges from my gardens for the pancake. There we are, beautiful. So now let's start to cut and de-seed and de-skin the oranges. The pith is generally avoided because it tastes bitter. But keeping in view the nutritional contents, it's advised not to throw it away and to use it smartly. The secret is the ingredients. Use other ingredients to do away with the bitterness of the pith. And this pith I will be using in another of my dish, not in the pancake. Depending upon the strength of the flavor of the juice, you can choose to either cut the oranges in halves, slices, or segregate them into segments and use. But I am going to be using the oranges which I have cut into half because I want a strong flavor of oranges in my pancake. Once done, let the flames come on the pan and butter, that is 20 grams unsalted butter, and jaggery 20 grams. And remember, you can use brown sugar, you can use shakkar, you can use any natural sugar. And remember not to caramelize the natural sugar that you are using. As soon as the natural sugar starts to caramelize, switch off the flames. Look, it's coming on beautifully. There, done. It started to caramelize. There you are, a little poke and it says it's joining. So that is the time when we stop. And we stop to arrange the orange halves that we had cut in any shape, in any pattern that you wish to choose. I chose this round shape with one in the center. And again the flames come on. There, beautiful, isn't it? The butter is sizzling and our natural sugar has caramelized. So the flame goes off. Now it's time to remove the pan and the bananas. Although one is enough, but I am taking 2 of them because I want a very strong flavor of banana also in the pancake. So we mash the banana and we mash it really well and set aside the mashed banana. Now time to blend the banana along with other ingredients. We add milk, that is 100 ml, again more sugar, that is 70 grams, and natural sugar, and all-purpose flour, which is 175 grams. And the all-purpose flour added. Add some more butter, that is 70 grams, that is pre-melted and unsalted again. And natural salt, about 4 grams, or as per as your taste. Baking powder, 12 grams. And once done, it's time to blend. Now let's check. Oh, it's too thick. It's too thick. It has to be thinned down. So, how do we thin it down? Again, we'll add toned milk, 25 milligrams. Once added, we'll blend once again and check. Remember, one must always check. There you are, much better, but no more milk is required. It is still a little thick. So 25 milligram again. Blend once again. Now blend it. Let's check. Yes, now that is perfect. That is the dropping consistency that is required. Once done, set aside for 30 minutes. And look, the color changes. And after 30 minutes, we pour the batter over the oranges evenly. And it doesn't matter if the batter isn't poured evenly, because once the entire batter has been poured, we are going to duff the pan, shake the pan, and there, it spreads evenly. There, that is the technique of duffing, the right technique. To swirl the pan, also to swirl the batter. Once done, the flames are back, and set the pan and the cake and the batter to cook. And when heated well, and when the sugar rises, it's time to cover the pan. So bring on the cover, and when the temperature is achieved, bring on the covers and bring the flame to low, to sim, because the cake will not cook well on high heat. Allow to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, look, done well, but time to check. And one of the best ways to check, the toothpick. And the toothpick should come out clean. There we are. The toothpick comes out clean. There. Now it's time to flip the cake, because we have to cook the side that was on the top. Otherwise, our cake will not cook well. It will be cooked only on one side. And how to flip? This is the best way to flip. Let me show you. Now invert. Once inverted, the cake comes out done. There you are. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, not to be eaten as yet, because remember the other side has to be cooked. So there, inverted, it goes back into the pan, slowly, carefully, and again when the pan is hot, bring on the flames, and when the pan is hot again, remember, The flame must be on low, sim, that is. Cover the pan for another 5 minutes. Cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove. The cake is done. It is done. Believe me, now you don't need the toothpick test. It is done, and it's time to switch off the flames, to take the pan and invert once again. Now for this you have to flip twice. Remember, the top side is going to be on the bottom, and that's not how you want to present. Well, that's one, and flip once again. When flipped, look at that. Beautiful. Serve at breakfast, lunch, dinner or high tea with honey, fruits, sauces or dips. Anything of your choice. And remember, treat all your known, your near, your dear, your loved, your hated, adored, feared, relatives, friends, foes, cared, uncared, and above all, your enemies too. And till we meet again with another video or a recipe, cook healthy, eat healthy, live healthy, and thank you for watching. Have a nice time, friends. Bye.